Hi guys, this is finding the value of a letter when we're using gradients. Now, it's not finding the gradient of a slope because we've already got that. It's already given to us. So this time we're going to use coordinates to find the value of a letter. So for example, the gradient in this question is 2 and it wants us to find the value of k. So we're going to use this formula. Y squared minus y1 all over x squared minus x1. So let's do it. Y squared is k minus y1, which is 3. And then the denominator is x squared minus x1. So there we have it, 5 minus 1. That's it, we've done it. It's all been plugged in. Now we can solve it. So k minus 3 stays the same and 5 minus 1 gives us 4. So now what do we do? Well, you've got 2. We haven't played with that yet. I'm just going to add this in for you. So we've now got left 2 equals k minus 3 all over 4. So what we need to do is we need to multiply our gradient with our denominator, which is 4. Now it's looking like a normal question. So we have 8 equals k minus 3. And to find out what k is, we've taken our minus 3 over and it becomes a plus. So k equals 11. Now that might be a little bit confusing to people that have never done it before. So I've got 4 examples and we'll go through them all. So this question asks for the line ST, given points S is 1 minus 3 and T is T9, the gradient is 3. It's asking us to find out what the value of T is. Well, we know what the gradient is. And we know what our formula is. So let's use our formula. A gradient is 3 equals our y squared, which in this case is going to be 9 minus our y1, which is minus 3. And it's going to be all over our x2, which is t minus our x1, which is 1. Are you happy? So all we've done is substituted our numbers, plugged our numbers into the formula. And then when we work that out, that becomes 12. Because remember, negative and a negative is a plus, all over t minus 1. Pretty similar to before. So now let's do our bit of maths. So we have 3, our gradient, now equals 12 over t minus 1. We're going to multiply it out. So now we have 3 t minus 1 equals 12. So we've done times, and what we've got left is 12. So we're going to multiply it, expand it, take it out the bracket. So 3 times t is 3t. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 equals 12. So we need t on its own, so we'll do 3t equals 12 plus 3, because we took this minus over and it's turned into a plus, which gives us 15. And then we're going to divide our 3 to get t on its own. So t equals 5, because 3 divided by 15 equals 5. And that's your answer. T equals 5. Still a bit shaky? Let's do another one. So, given points are U, which is 0, minus 4, and V is 6. K, the gradient is 2. Work out K. So let's put our gradient first. So we're going to go 2 equals K, and that's a minus 4, isn't it? And it's going to be all over 6 minus 0, which equals K minus and a minus 4 is going to be K plus 4 all over 6. This looks like an easier one, doesn't it, than before? So now, what have we got? We've got 2 equals K plus 4 all over 6. Times that out. So now we have 12 equals K plus 4. And we need K on its own. So we're going to take the 4 over to our 12 and it becomes a negative. 12 minus 4 equals K. And then finally, K equals 8. So it just moves into normal algebra once you've substituted everything in. Nearly there, guys, you will get this. For the line WX, the given points are W5 and 7 and 17, and the gradient is 2. What is the value of W? So we put our gradient here, and it's going to equal 17 minus 5 all over 7 minus W. That equals 12. And that stays the same, 7 minus W. So now we're going to put it all together. Now, you don't always have to do this step. I'm just doing it because I'm teaching at you. I would know automatically what to multiply, and you will in time. So 2 times 7 W, so we're going to put it 2, 7 minus W equals 12. Yeah, nice equation. So 2 times 7 is 14 minus 2W equals 12. And then we need to get W on its own, don't we? So I'm going to move the 14 over to the 12. So now we've got left over here minus 2W, and 12 subtract 14, because it was a plus, gives us minus 2. And then when we divide it, we're going to divide the minus 2 with minus 2, becomes a plus, and our answer is 1. So W equals 1. And then finally, have a go at it yourself, this one. If not, carry on with me. So our gradient is 1 equals, we have Y minus 8 all over. We have 3 minus 1 equals Y minus 8 all over 3 minus 1 is 4. So, what have we got? We've got 1 equals Y minus 8 over 4. Going to multiply that out. So we've got 4 equals Y minus 8, which equals 4 That's a negative 8, and we're going to take that over. It becomes a plus. So y equals 12. Now, many people ask me, should it be the letter B here on the right and the number on the left, or should it be that way? Well, in hindsight, I would say it always looks nicer that way, natural. But if it comes natural for you to do it that way, it doesn't matter because they both mean the same look. It's still y equals 12, whichever way you do it. It's up to you how you want to do it. So that's that. I hope you've understood that. I have on my website got a separate worksheet, and it's got full answers on step by step. So if you want to practice these yourself and look back at this video, the different questions, so hop onto my website and you'll be able to do a little bit more practice. Okay? Bye-bye.